Hi, welcome to our brand new Microsoft Azure Fundamentals, Az-900 Practice Questions 2022. In this video we are going to discuss all the dummy questions of the Microsoft Azure 900 exam. Let's get started. Question 1. True or false? Your company plans to take advantage of Azure Active Directory Premium P1. Azure Active Directory Premium P1 also includes advanced identity protection and privileged identity management features. Now here are the options. Option 1, true. Option 2, false. And the right answer is option 2. Explanation. The correct answer is false. Premium P2 also includes advanced identity protection and privileged identity management features in Azure Active Directory Premium P21, but not in Premium P1. Premium P1. Azure Active Directory Premium Edition adds feature-rich enterprise-level identity management capabilities to help organizations need more demanding identity and access management, with on-premises capabilities and the cloud for hybrid users. This edition includes everything that information workers and identity administrators in a hybrid environment need for application access in the cloud, self-service identity access management, IAM, and security. Premium P2. Azure Active Directory Premium P2 includes all the features of all other Azure Active Directory editions, as well as advanced identity protection and privileged identity management features. Reference: https://azure microsoft.com/ana/pricing/details/active directory/. Question 2. True or false? Azure SQL Database allows users to perform patch management of database software. Now here are the options. Option 1, true. Option 2, false. And the right answer is option 2. Explanation. The correct answer is false. Azure SQL Database is a database PaaS platform provided as a managed service. Here, the underlying infrastructure is fully managed by Azure. Therefore, the user cannot manage the infrastructure and database software themselves. Reference: https://azure microsoft.com/ana/products/azure SQL/database/. Question 3. True or false? A database hosted on the virtual machine allows the user to perform patch management of the database software. Now here are the options. Option 1: true. Option 2: false. And the right answer is option 1. Explanation. The correct answer is true. A database hosted on the virtual machine allows the user to perform patch management of the database software. This is because the user installs the software on the virtual machine and uses it as a database. The management of the database software itself is left to the user. Question 4. True or false? In your application, sufficient redundancy is required to access services on the virtual machines, maintaining access even if one data center goes down. You should use a scale set to deploy a set of virtual machines in a single availability zone. Now here are the options. Option 1: true. Option 2: false. And the right answer is option 1. Explanation. The correct answer is true. The Azure Virtual Machine Scale Set allows you to create and manage groups of the same load balancing VMs. Based on this group, you can automatically increase or decrease the number of VM instances according to demand or a defined schedule. Reference: https://docs microsoft.com/ana/azure/virtual machine scale set/overview. Question 5. True or false? Redundancy is required to maintain access to services on virtual machines, even in the event that one OS goes down. For this, you should use a scale set to deploy a set of virtual machines in multiple availability zones. Now here are the options. Option 1: true. Option 2: false. And the right answer is option 1. Explanation. The correct answer is true. Redundancy to access services on virtual machines even if one OS goes down requires deploying applications to multiple OSs. You can then use scale sets to set virtual machines in multiple availability zones. Reference: https://docs microsoft.com/ana/azure/availability zone/ozoverview. Question 6. True or false? Redundancy is required so that access to your services on your virtual machines is maintained. even in the event that one region goes down. For this, you should deploy a set of virtual machines in 2 or more availability zones. Now here are the options. Option 1: true. Option 2: false. And the right answer is option 2. Explanation. The correct answer is false. In order to prevent the application from stopping even if one region stops, it is necessary to deploy the application to multiple regions. A configuration using multiple OSes is only a stable application within one region, so it will be vulnerable if the region itself is stopped due to a natural disaster. Reference: https://docs. Microsoft.com/NS/Azure/architecture/reference architectures/app-service-web-app/multi-region. Question 7. True or false? Redundancy is required to access services on your virtual machines, even in the event that one region were to go down. Deploying a set of virtual machines in 2 or more regions with the appropriate traffic configuration will maintain this access. Now here are the options. Option 1: true. Option 2: false. And the right answer is option 1. Explanation. The correct answer is true. VMs can be deployed in 1 or more regions for high availability of applications. High availability is achieved by deploying VMs using 2 regions. During normal operation, network traffic is routed to the primary region. If the primary region becomes unavailable, traffic will be routed to the secondary region. Reference: https://docs. Microsoft.com/NS/Azure/architecture/reference architectures/app-service-web-app/multi-region. Question 8. What do you call the factor that allows an application to take less time to complete an action and also wait less time for the next subsequent processing to begin? Now here are the options. Option 1: fault tolerant. Option 2: disaster recovery. Option 3: low latency. Option 4: scalability. And the right answer is option 3. Explanation. Option 3 is the correct answer. Low latency is when an application completes in less time and does not have to wait for subsequent processing processes. Option 1 is incorrect. Fault tolerance is a design method that keeps the function even if a failure occurs. Option 2 is incorrect. Disaster recovery is a set of policies, tools, and procedures that enable the recovery or continuation of critical technology infrastructure and systems after a natural or man-made disaster. Option 4 is incorrect. This is the degree to which you can flexibly respond to changes in scale such as system usage. Question 9. You want to develop a web application hosted on a virtual machine. This application needs to store petabytes of data and requires complex queries across the data. Which service should you use? Now here are the options. Option 1: Azure Cosmos DB. Option 2: Azure SQL Database. Option 3: Azure Synapse. Option 4: a storage account. And the right answer is option 3. Explanation. Option 3 is the correct answer. You can use Azure Synapse to perform complex queries across your data. Azure Synapse is an enterprise analytics service that speeds the time to retrieve analytics across data warehouses and big data systems. Option 1 is incorrect. Azure Cosmos DB is a fully managed NoSQL database service for modern app development. Unable to execute SQL. Option 2 is incorrect. Azure SQL Database is a fully managed platform as a service that handles most database management functions such as upgrades, patching, backups, and monitoring without user involvement. Used as a relational database that uses SQL, but Azure Synapse is used to execute complex queries on the entire data like this time. Option 4 is incorrect. A storage account is a storage service that provides a unique namespace for Azure storage data that can be accessed from anywhere in the world over HTTP or HTTPS. Since it is used as storage, it is not a service for executing SQL. Reference: https://docs. Microsoft.com/NS/Azure/Synapse Analytics/Overview. What is? Question 10. You want to develop a web application hosted on a virtual machine. You have started deploying Azure virtual machines to Azure. Where in the Azure portal will you be notified when the deployment is complete? Now here are the options. Option 1: Alarm section. Option 2: My account. Option 3: Navigate section. Option 4: Notification section. And the right answer is option 4. Explanation. Option 4 is the correct answer. You will be notified in the notifications section of the Azure portal when the deployment is complete. Question 11. True or false? You are deploying 4 virtual machines on Azure. The virtual machines host your web application. To improve this application's availability, you should configure a VPN gateway on your virtual machine. Now here are the options. Option 1: true. Option 2: false. And the right answer is option 2. Explanation. The correct answer is false. The VPN gateway is used to create a virtual private connection between your on-premises data center and your Azure network. This cannot be used to improve application availability. VPN gateways are a certain type of virtual network gateways that are used to send encrypted traffic between your Azure virtual network and your on-premises location over the public internet. You can also use a VPN gateway to send encrypted traffic between your Azure virtual networks over your Microsoft network. Reference: https://microsoft.com/ana/azure/vpn gateway about gateways. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Buy our premium Az-900 bundle with 90% off. Check link in the description.